Woke up on day 4, loaded up the RV, and headed to Pender, Nebraska to check out where Blue Ox is made.
Having a towed vehicle this year has been a game changer. And then when I found out Blue Ox was made in Nebraska, it was on the list.
We get here to Blue Ox and we meet president of the company, Mike Hesse. He got to tell us all about the company.
This facility started up 97 years ago with my great-grandfather, Raleigh McCuistion. In the 80s, my father, Jay Hesse, took over. He kind of expanded us into RV towing. And then in the early 90s, he bought a little company from California called Blue Ox. We were trying to make our products the highest quality out there. Having the robotics to really accent our strong workforce just gives us the best product in the marketplace. We have so many exciting new products that are expanding us in such a major way, and it's just doing that little extra for the customer is what really propels us and sets us apart from the competition. We want to make the journey as great as the destination. Regardless of the weather conditions, that customer can get to that destination with confidence. That's what Blue Ox is.
Getting to meet Mike Hesse, the 4th generation of this company, he's got a lot of passion for this company, his employees, and his product. We got to go into the factory with Ronnie. I love finding out where our products come from.
This is our new 5th wheel hitch. That's up and coming. Yeah, very excited about that. It was our first step into the robotics scene. All it's doing is grabbing boxes, palletizing boxes. If you can hand weld 5 base plates in an hour, it makes more sense to keep those guys.
Yeah.
It's always that mix of, you can't be fully robotic because it doesn't make sense. We're standing right now in our tow bar line. Every tow bar we manufacture is gonna come down this line right here. On this particular one here, we'll run 220 a day in the shift.
It's a true American company grown right here in Nebraska.
What these are producing are the spring bars on our weight distribution hitches that go on our Track Pro and Sway Pro. You have 10 hours of unmanned, zero human intervention, it just goes. The main reason we're really going after this right now is to control our own destiny. Being reliant on somebody overseas wasn't an option anymore. So what this is a tube laser. You can take anything that is square or round or an angle. You can punch these holes in as you see them. Just like our tube laser is a BLM flat laser, right? So instead of tube, it's gonna be a sheet, right? So any flat product is gonna be cut on here. We can program this on a Friday night, come in Monday morning, and we'll have sheets stacked up in the tower there.
In one word, out of all of this is efficiency.
Obsessed with it, unfortunately. It's a complex.
What better way to end our day 4 out here in Nebraska? I've enjoyed every bit of it. What was your favorite part this week?
If I have to choose, it's Niobrara State Park. From the beautiful sunrises to sunsets on that vista, looking over the rivers, the bluffs, the horseback, all of it. Niobrara State Park for me.
It's beautiful here in Niobrara.
What was your favorite part?
Well, my first horseback ride will definitely go down in history. I will not ever forget that. But I'll tell you what, that waterfall for me, standing in that waterfall, was a moment that I will never forget. And even riding our bikes across the cowboy trail, this was a really big trip and I enjoyed every bit. I can't wait to come back to Nebraska. Certainly our next trip, we can plan it right now. I'm ready.
The booty is a little sore already, but that's okay.
The last couple of years, we've been coming back to my home state, exploring in our RV, and Nebraska Game and Parks hits a home run every time.